Great, so now you can find your way around a web page. But suppose you don't want to spend all your time looking at Apple's website. Well, most people don't. Somebody, your Aunt Vilma, for example, has called you and says, oh, I just saw the cutest website. It's at www.marmoset.com. Great, I'd like to visit there. How do I get there? The way you get there is through your address field. And to do that, you simply select your text in the address field and you type in a web address. Now, traditionally, a web address is typed http://www. And then the name of the website. And so we'll try lynda.com. lynda.com. And you press the return key. And it takes you to the site where you'd like to go. Now, you don't have to do that. Again, that's the traditional way if you want to type out every single character that your web browser is expecting to see. But Safari is very smart about finding addresses, so you don't have to do that. I can select this text, and let's say I go to the website of my employer, which is Macworld. I don't have to type www. I don't have to type .com. I can simply type Macworld. Press return, and here I am. So Safari is smart enough that it will fill in all this http://www and the .com stuff. If you have a traditional address that includes .com and www before it, all you have to do is type in the name of the site. Macworld, MacUser, Lynda, whatever you want to do, Safari will automatically take you there. If you have a more complex web address, one that lacks the www, for example, sometimes you can type in the regular name and it will take you there, and other times that won't work. If you try it and it doesn't work, try inserting www. There are also other names out there besides .com. There's .net and there's .org, and there are a couple of other ones, but .net and .org are the most common ones. If you try typing in the name of your website without the .com, and it takes you to the wrong place, think about the name of that link. If somebody sent it to you, for example, go, oh, wait, that's a .net address. Then type in .net following that, and you'll be able to find your way. Another way to find content on the web is to use this search field here. This is in the upper right corner. It will search via Google. So click once in that field. Let's see, I wanted to look at marmosets, I believe. So we'll type marmoset in there. And I press the return key. So as we get to this page, you'll notice, first of all, we see images. Here's this gentleman with a marmoset on his head. I have no idea who he is, but gosh, that's a very cute marmoset. Aren't they cute? So I can find out all kinds of information, and notice here are all these blue links that will take me to various places about marmosets. So I'd like to go to Wikipedia, which is the free encyclopedia, and learn all about marmosets by clicking on that link. And look, here's another little marmoset over here. I could click that, and that would take me to another site, because notice the little glove icon tells me that I've got a link here. All the text within this entry, blue, these are all links, so I can click on these, and I can go where I'd like to go. Now, this is a handy tip for searching. If you have a search that has more than one word in it, you can narrow your search results by enclosing that search in quotes. Well, let's say I entered Dr. Dolittle without quotes. And enter. How many search results did I get? 862,000 search results. I don't think I want that many search results. Let's try this. We'll put it in quotes. Quote here. Click Add Quote. Press Return. Now we've only got 43,900 quotes. Now, one of the nice things about Google is it will prioritize things. So the most common or the most relevant hits are going to appear at the top of the page. So if I wanted to look at the Dr. Dolittle movie, for example, on the Internet Movie Database, I could find it there. Wikipedia, again, often appears at the top because it's a very popular site. It's a place that people go routinely. All right, so let's return to our home page. And we do that by going to History and choosing Home. And there we are back at our Start page. Next up, we're going to take a look at Safari and bookmarks.